Brain, meet Lenny and Martha, the dustbins.
Brain!
Hey, how you doing?
They're going to demonstrate capacity.
Yippee.
Capacity is the amount something can hold. So, for example, Martha is half full. Lenny is less full than Martha. He's empty.
Sorry, it's not funny.
This is the symbol we use to show that Lenny is less full than Martha. The object or number on the pointed side of the arrow is always smaller than the object on the open end of the arrow.
I'm sorry, I shouldn't laugh.
This is the symbol we use to show that Lenny and Martha are equal to each other.
I don't know what you're laughing at. We're in the same... Oh, shush.
And this is the symbol we use to show that Lenny is more full than Martha. The open end of the arrow is always facing the bigger object or number. Lenny is now full.
What is that stuff?
Whereas Martha is only half full.
Get it off me.
It's a crucial shot for Potter Mulligan against Louis the Enlightened. Let's check out the score table. Right, what are we looking at here, Janine?
OK, Jeff. Each player has a row. And we can show their scores for each hole in columns. Lowest score wins.
Louis won the first hole and Potter won the second.
And Louis got a hole in one on the third hole.
But back to the action, Janine. Potter needs a hole in one. Oh my! It's Louis' signature floater! This has got to be a new record. No one's ever lost so many balls on one hole. We join Janine, who's out on the course interviewing Pete, the sneak.
Thanks, Jeff. We need to collect some data about what's going on. Pete the Sneak, what can you tell us?
Well, I've lost 4 balls on this hole, but I'm certain Potter will lose more.
Fighting talk from Pete the Sneak. We'd better keep a tally.
First attempt for Potter.
Oh, he's not getting that one back. 1 ball lost.
Second attempt.
Oh dear, another ball lost. Oh my, that's 6 lost in a row.
At least he's taking it well, Jeff.
Good job we recorded the scores.
My friend the giant breaks houses sometimes. Well, in fact, he breaks them quite often. It's okay, you can fix it. You just have to find a piece of wood that's the right size. Yes, amazing. Now let's just... Wait a second. That is way, way too short. You need a much longer piece of wood. Something more like a tree. No, that tree is far too tall. Find one that looks about the right size. Yes, that is the perfect length. Not too long, nor too short. OK, you can have a break now. That wasn't so difficult, was it?
Hello, Snoot. What's that you're driving? I see. You hired a go-kart from the intergalactic market. Hello, Finn. What an impressive car. On Earth, that's called a limousine. It's a lot longer than Snoot's go-kart, isn't it? How long is it exactly? I've got an idea. You can estimate the length in steps. The go-kart is 10 steps in length, and the limousine is 30 steps in length. 30 is 3 times 10. That makes the limousine 3 times longer than the go-kart. I know, Snoot. Counting things out in steps isn't very accurate. It just gives you an estimate of how long things are. If you want to know exactly, you'll have to use a tape measure. On Earth, we use centimetres to measure quite small lengths, like the width of a tyre, or the diameter of a wheel. And we use metres to measure longer lengths, like the length of a car. So, according to the tape measure, Snoot's go-kart is 2 metres long, and Finn's limousine is 6 metres long. 6 is 3 times 2, so your estimates were right. The limousine is 3 times longer than the go-kart. Hello, Plimble.
Hello.
I see you hired a monster truck. I think we're going to need a bigger tape measure.
How much is a drink?
I don't know. 40p? I don't think I have it.
Come on, figure it out. It's there.
I suppose I've got two 20p coins.
Yeah, and I think you have another possible combination too.
Oh yeah. I also have 4 10p coins and 8 5p coins, which is the same, yeah?
Yes, they make up the same value. We can check this by multiplication. 4 times 10 equals 40, and 8 times 5 equals 40.
Great! I've got enough for 3.
Can I have one?
Let me think about it.